Another online boss in the house. I'm a boss. You're a boss. We all online bosses. That is the aim. That is my agenda for this channel, guys, to make all your online bosses so you can leave that slavery 9 to 5 and make money online. And guys, I've done it all. Drop shipping, affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA. I've done it all. And I'm telling you, crypto is the best, easiest business model to make millions. Millions. Yes, we're in a bear market now, but that's fine. That's really the best time to come into crypto. But it's unfortunate that so much people don't understand this. Coming in the bull market, you'll get wrecked, guys. You'll get wrecked. If you came in the bull market, you'd have bought the top, you'd have got wrecked. You need to be in the bear market, making connections, understanding crypto, finding trends, listening to the right YouTubers, gaining the right information, taking the right courses. This is the time to gain knowledge, guys. And that's what this channel's for, to bring you guys all the latest news, guys, and teach you all what I've learned for the last 9 years in crypto. All right, guys, welcome to NFT Tuesday. I decided every week on Tuesday, possibly if you guys love the NFT videos, let me know in the comments, and I might do NFT Thursdays as well. But we definitely do NFT Tuesdays so we can bring you guys the latest NFT news catch-ups. Because end of the day, guys, we're about Web3. That is this channel, Web3. So we got DeFi, we got NFTs, we got all different categories of Web3, all different narratives. Okay, guys? So moving on, let's talk about what's going on in the NFT world this week. Guys, and it's always good to know narrative. Narratives will make you the money. And so I'm here to tell you guys a narrative. So right now, NFT narratives is free mints. Also, and this is why you should listen and study so you can understand the narrative. Narratives come, and they come in waves, and they last a bit. For crypto, a couple months, 3 weeks is a bit. But it's enough time. If you miss the first wave of the narrative, there'll be another one. There's always an extension. We're degens. This is like, it is kind of like gambling and finding the right projects to get into, getting there early. It's, getting into certain collecting collectibles, having that kind of, oh wow, that's a good NFT that I've got. There's a lot of psychology behind NFTs, right? So if you missed the narrative now is free NFTs, yeah, free mints. We might have missed a few free mints, but that's fine because there's more free mints to come and more narratives of the free mints. Do you get what I'm saying? Okay, so the narrative of the free mint that we're going to talk about now is God hates NFTs. So there's a meetup, a big conference called NFT NYC. And at this conference, they did a bit of a promo. A company did like a kind of a promo staged event. And on this staged event, they had some actors with boards saying, God hates NFTs, anti-NFTs. Good marketing strategy, good marketing ploy. And what they did, some smart person made an NFT out of that because it was a meme. It turned to a meme, and so made an NFT out of the meme. So this is what I'm saying, why we need to keep looking and studying, guys. Because if we was aware of this meta, we call it meta, this alpha, beforehand, you would know, okay, so to me, the trends is, if you think about it, memes culture is a big part of it, of Web3, right? So you're seeing this big event happening in NYC. Everyone's talking about it on Twitter. Then they made a meme about it. Kind of know what's next, right? They're going to make an NFT about it. And if you knew this, you'd been ready for it. And then boom, you'd have bought this NFT. This NFT was free, guys, free mint. And now the floor was 0.9 ETH. Might as well sell it 1 ETH. $1,000. if you'd have minted 10, 20, and it was up to 1.5 ETH on the ATH. So guys, this is what I'm saying. We're in a bear market, but there's still money to get made. You just got to be studying. And this is why I bring this information, because even this now, I'm not saying buy this, but I'm saying go in the Discord, see if there's still hype, see if people are still, see it's still hyping and people are still building and networking and talking and all this stuff that builds projects, right? Hype and community. So look at there, see it, could be a buy. Could be a buy. Okay, let's move this up slightly. So, moving on, guys. Let's check what else. Okay, so this is their Twitter account. If you want to have a look at their Twitter. See, still got room to get a lot more people on this train, as you said, on the hype train, because it's still only got 28,000 followers, and it's still only 1 ETH mint. As I said, if they're still building, look in the Discord, see what the owner's doing, see if they're looking to do collabs and looking to build and check their roadmap. Could be a good buy. Okay, but it's always risky, guys. Always try and get the free mints. Try not to buy after post mint. But if you feel like the hype is great, like I was looking at Doodles at 1 ETH. Doodles went up to 20, 30 ETH. And I was looking at 1 ETH. I could have minted it for 0.3 ETH. So don't always look at how much it is. Look at where it is on the kind of building scale. What the project owner is actually doing and where are you in the roadmap. If you're at the start and it's 1 ETH, you've got room. All right, guys, so something to look into. Okay, so not something else fresh off the press for you guys on NFT Tuesday. Meme Land, if you guys into NFTs, you're not. Basically, Meme Land are making an NFT. So 9gag is making an NFT, and it's called Meme Land. So we all knew about this. It's been prolonged from weeks, not months, right? Actually, months. And we were all waiting for this Meme Land drop. So I think personally, they're holding out because we're in a bear market, and obviously they want to make money because they don't want it to be a free mint, right? So this is what I think that happened. They've seen the meta of free mints, and it was like, okay, let's do a free mint. Let's, try and raise a bit of money on the royalties, and let's see how it goes, personally. So if you go on their Twitter, guys, go onto Twitter, so it's Memeland, and they are launching a NFT project to follow the free mint meta, and you can actually sign up. So if you click on this link for the allow list raffle, so basically now allow list raffle is just like a raffle to allow you to mint. If you win the raffle, you get to mint one or a couple of these NFTs, which is great because it's going to cost you nothing but gas fees, right? So the date is in somewhere in July. They're not announced the date yet, but guys, get on this allow list. So get yourself over to their Twitter, hit this link, sign up, and get on the allow list, guys. Very important if you want to be part of this project. There's going to be 9,999, and raffle spots is 6,900 raffle spots. So definitely you want to get a bit of this free mint. Guys, these are massive. They are big, guys. 9gag, they got 51 million followers on Instagram. They're huge. So if you're getting a free mint for that one, not financial advice, but you're looking to 1, 2, 3, 4 ETH floor. So check them out. All right, guys, I'm just going to bring a couple of projects on your radar. Personally, focus on free mints. That's the meta. I'll bring as much things I can to possible, as much information as possible to my YouTube. But sometimes, obviously, doing a YouTube takes a bit more time. Follow my Twitter, guys. It's onlineboss_. I put out my calls very fast on there. Okay, so moving on. Decent project. Figure Gots. They are launching. The launch is to be announced, but I personally believe it's going to be this month. from what they're saying in their Discord, followed by quite a lot of big people in the space. They are Docs founders, and the partners, they've partnered up with an NFT project called West Coast NFTs. And West Coast NFTs, they actually partnered up with Doodles. So got a lot of good people back in this project, guys. So it's definitely one to look at and put on your list. Good 3D art there as well. So one to put onto your radar. Souls Galaxy, another good one to put on your radar, guys. The 10K profile picture launch. Art is pretty cool. July the 12th. It's actually owned by a famous musician. So, definitely one to keep on your radar. All right, guys, moving on to another bit of meta. Guys, if you don't know what meta is, meta means like a bit of alpha, and alpha means a bit of inside knowledge. That's not inside, a bit of knowledge. Guys, another trend to look at is ENS Domains. So over the last few days, a few people have been buying some ENS domains and flipping them. So ENS domains is just like .com domains. To be honest, guys, I was studying this meta about 1 year ago. I actually bought some as well. I told my brother about it, told him about it. It kind of makes sense to me. So basically, it's like your own URL for your payments. So if anyone wants to pay you anything, instead of giving you the long number of your crypto, long number, you give them onlineboss.eth. There's a few different ones. There's onlineboss.crypto, .crypto, .eth, .bitcoin. There's quite a few, but ENS ETH is the main one, because obviously Ethereum is like big chain, isn't it? So yeah, guys, there's a lot of people that's flipping these and making a lot of money. So it's something to put on your radar and look into. I'm not going to go into too much details, but I'm going to give you some alpha and some things to you to study on your own. But this is you can get them on OpenSea. So look at OpenSea. This is where a lot of people are flipping them. Difficult probably to find any ones here because they're all going to be like overpriced. But you can actually buy them on, what's the website called? ENS Domains. Yeah, you can go on ENS Domains and actually buy them. And if you see any good ones, and you think you can flip for long term. Because remember, guys, we're still early to the party of NFTs, guys. Still very, very early. Yes, right now this is trending with everybody. This meta right now, ENS. But in the whole space of Web3, we're still a minority. So even if you're picking up some of these domains and you're holding it for long term, that you think certain companies would want it in the future. This is like that, people buy .com domains before, made a lot of money. It's definitely something to look into. So some resources for you guys to look at. ENS.vision. Just a nice little website that categorizes them, shows you trending ones, categorize them into different sections, tells you the top sales. Like, look at this, porn.eth went for 184 ETH, guys. Sam.eth went for 100 ETH. It's crazy, absolutely crazy. And if you bought these last year, you probably bought them for half an ETH. Okay, so check this guy out here. He's a really good guy on Twitter. Daniel got this, or just type in 260.eth. Obviously, he's bought one, 260.eth. So he's been flipping these for like a long time. He's been calling this meta a long time. This is the beautiful thing about beautiful thing about Web3. You get in early, guys, to certain trends, and you have conviction in these trends. And if these trends if you picked a good trend, right, and it has substance, your wave will come, your day will come, So you could even build your whole brand around a certain specific section of Web3 and just wait, even if it's not trending now, just wait to that wave to come. And you will be the leader in that space and you'll be the person that everyone wants to come to for advice, for consultation calls, promo. You be that guy. You be the hero. So this is what the beautiful thing is about Web3. So much opportunities, guys. So yeah, follow this guy. He's been calling these domains for a long time, and he gives good alpha on this channel. All right, then, guys, that's it for the video today. It is 12 o'clock midnight in Dubai. If you like this video, guys, subscribe to me. Like this video. Let's build the biggest, bestest community on the planet. Till next time, peace out.